Hi students, welcome to the Yupp Master School Foundation program. Today we are going to deal the very important problems based on the 1D motion and principle of homogeneity in case of the dimensional formulas and dimensional analysis. Let's have a look. Suppose if you are going to have a look into the matter that is going to be advanced model problems on dimension analysis principle of homogeneity. Yes, we have to take that. This is very clear. We would like to go for this one. Yeah, if you are going to identify that yes, a ball is allowed to drop down and it is going to be fall down, right? You can take the time, yes, the vertical distance which has been covered at different intervals. Okay, let's see that. This is very clear. Yeah, let's have a look. Yes, if you know that this is the height, if you know that its initial velocity u is equal to 0, that is it starts from rest. All right, you can get that. It has been started from the rest, it's okay. So its final velocity is going to be v1. Let's assume it's going to be 0 meter per second. It's going to be 0 meter per v1 meter per second. It's very clear. Okay, if you are going to identify that acceleration due to gravity, it's very clear. We would like to get that. Here we are going to talk about that velocity, right? So it's going to be v depend on g and h. All right, it's very clear. We would like to go for this one. So you can express that v is equal to, yeah, you have to take that. It is going to be v depend on g, v depend on h. It's very clear. So that we are going to write down v is equal to g power a, h power b. So in bracket a comma b are constants. It's very clear. We would like to know this matter. All right. Okay, it is going to be compared dimensionally, right? All right. Now we would like to go for this one. This is very important. All right, we would like to get this one, right? So we have to take that v square minus u square is equal to 2as. All right, it's very clear. V square minus u square is equal to 2gh. Let us assume h. All right, this is very clear. We would like to have this one. All right. Now u is equal to 0, v square is equal to 2gh. All right. Now you are all going to have that v is equal to 2gh. All right. Now you can write down root 2 into root gh. Just we have to write down. So finally, what we have taken dimensionally, it is going to be related with this one. All right. So you are all having that. That is very clear. We would like to go for this one. All right. Now we can take that v is equal to g power a and h power b. It is very clear. We would like to go for this relation. Dimensionally, we would like to verify this one. All right. So we are all going to have this one. All right. Now what can you write here? Verify dimensionally. It is having the relation. Okay, we would like to go for this one. That is L by T is equal to L by T square power A, L power B. It's very clear, we would like to go for this one. Are you getting this point? Please have a look. So, this is very clear. Compare yes, LHS and RHS. Just you have to take that. The powers. We can write down. It is very clear. In this way, we can solve the problem and we can solve that final velocity, and we would like to go for that the quantities which are involved in the derived quantity of that velocity, that is going to be written as this one. Yeah, it has been obtained. Dimensionally, we will adopt that relation by having that principle of homogeneity. Here, you would like to go for this one. Yes, it is very clear. L power 1 into T power minus 1 is equal to L power A plus B T power minus 2A. Is it clear that you are having this relation? All right. This is the case, and we will solve the many problems. Let's have the look. All right. Okay. Suppose if it has taken that in 1D motion, especially when ball is allowed to drop down, all right, it has been reached that particular height, and it will takes that some time to reach the ground. So, there existed at different intervals of the time it has been reached the ground. Let us see that. Yes, it is very clear. You would like to go for this one? Yes, you have to. Yes, it is going to be reaching that ground directly. Yes. Again, if you are going to take that, as it takes that intervals, it has been reached that, it is going to be taken. All right. So, you have seen this is going to be the total height h. So, it can be divided into h1 and it is going to be h2, right. So, you can take that h1 height which has been covered at time t1 second, h2 height that has been travelled by that time t2 seconds. Yes, you have to calculate this one. You know very well about that. S is equal to ut plus half gt square. All right, we can take that. So, easily we will find out this. Yes, you can get this relation. Yes. Right. So, it is going to be 0. We are going to get that starts from rest. Yeah, u is equal to initial velocity is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. All right, it's very clear. We would like to go for this one. Right. Sometimes if you introduce that third parameter also, h3, that is going to be h3. So, you can take that time intervals t1, t2, t3. So, you have to take the different time intervals which are considered to reach that h1, h2, h3. All right. Let us have the problem, we can solve that. Yes, a stone falls freely under gravity, all right. It covers distances h1, h2, h3, all right. In the first 5 seconds, the next 5 seconds and the next 5 seconds. It is very clear, you would like to know about this one. Okay, they have given that time, all right. And you are all about to calculate that h1, h2, h3. It is very easy, and you have to frame the relation among the parameters h1, h2, h3. This is very clear. Let us have a look. Yeah, we can use this space, no issue at all up to this extent. We will use this space. Okay. All right. let's see. Okay, all right. Okay, we can use this space, right. Okay, you have to take that a stone is falls freely under gravity. You have to consider this is a stone, loose, fall freely. It has been reached the ground. It's very clear. All right, it's very clear. You can take that H1, okay, all right, and you will get that H2 and H3, all right. This is going to be 5 seconds, next 5 seconds and next 5 seconds they have given. This is the case we are going to take that. This is T1. Just you have to write down, it's very clear. All right, it's very easy to solve the problem, to frame the relations among the 3 parameters regarding to the vertical distance, that is nothing but height. Okay. Now, shall we go for that? A is equal to plus G. All right. Okay. Let us go for H1. We can do that. It is very clear. We would like to use this space. Okay. Therefore, H1 is equal to, basic equation S is equal to ut plus half gt square. All right. So, this is going to be 0. All right. Going to be 0. Yeah, you have to consider this one. We would like to go. Yeah, we are going to write here. So, S is equal to ut plus half gt square. Yes, you can take this one. So, this term is going to be 0. All right, we are going to get this one. Therefore, H1 is equal to, we would like to get that H1, that is 1 by 2 G, what about T? Phi square, right. We would like to get this one. All right. So, it is going to be 25 G by 2, all right, H1. It's very clear, we would like to get this one. Okay, if you are going to get this one, H2, just you have to get that H2, so easy for you. Okay. We would like to get this H2. If you are going to get that H1, H2, H3, all are having the time interval, that is 5 seconds. Now, you can go for that H1 plus H2, let us assume. In order to reach this H1 and H2, so you have to take these 5 seconds and these 5 seconds. The time is going to be 10 seconds, just we have to take is equal to. Yeah, in order to frame the relations among the parameters, just you have to take that addition and you need to have the some combination, that is going to be H1 plus H2, H1 plus H2 plus H3. Then only you have that relation, you have framed the relation, right. Now, it is very clear, that is going to be 1 by 2 G into, what about here, 5 plus 5, that is going to be 10, right. You have to get that, this is going to be 10 seconds for H1 and H2, it is going to be T1 plus T2, that is 10 seconds, all right. Yeah, you have to consider this one, this is very important for you. All right, you can go for this one, that is 1 by 2 G into 10 square, yeah, that is going to be 100 G by 2, all right, it is very clear. Again, if you are going to take this one, right, total distance, just you have to take, that is H1 plus H2 plus H3 is equal to 1 by 2 you can take this one 1 by 2 G into T1 plus T2 plus 3. It's very clear. That is 1 by 2 into 15 square, 1 by 2 G 15 square, all right. So, you have to get this one, this is 1 by 2 G into 225, yes, this is about H1 plus H2 plus H3. Shall we take this is equation 2, this is equation 3. Yes, everyone has to identify this one, please all of you get this equation. So, we have been solved for H1 plus H2 and we have taken that H1 plus H2 plus H3, then we can solve the set of equations to frame the relation among the parameters that is going to be there, which is going to be correct, let me check, okay, right. So, this is the case we have to get this one, we can go for this solvation and system of these equations are going to be solved, all right. So, this equation can be solved, this is the first one, this is the second one, this is also third one, all right. Okay, we would like to use some space, it is going to be, all right, yeah, this is going to be used, what we are having that, all right, okay. Because the space is limited, yes. So, right, we are having this one. So, shall we go for that H1 plus H2 and H1 plus H2 plus H3 and we can have that some calculation part to frame the relations among them, just you can see, it is very clear. Yeah, we would like to go for this one, it is very clear. We know that H1 plus H2 is equal to, yes, that is going to be 100 G by 2, all right, it is very clear. And H1 plus H2 plus H3 is equal to 225 G by 2. This is equation number 2 and equation number 3. It's very clear. Now, I am going to take that equation 2 minus equation 1. All right. That does it gives any relation? Let me check. That is H1 plus H2 minus H1. All right, you can get this one, this is very clear. Okay, let me check this one. Oh, we would like to go for this one, that is going to be 100 G by 2 minus, what we have to see, this is 25 G by 2. All right, that is going to be 75 by 2 into G, all right. So, but we are going to get this one H2 is equal to 70, very clear, 75 G by 2, all right, we would like to get this one, it is very clear. Now, this is equation number 4, all right. Yes, you can write, you can express, you can frame the relation between H1 and H2. Therefore, H2 is equal to, you can take that 3 into 25 by 2, 25 G by 2. All right. Now, you can write down H2 is equal to 3 H1. Okay, we would like to take this one, right. So, you have to get this one, that implies H1 is equal to H2 by 3, what we are having, we have been obtained. Okay, let us see. Yes, we have solved this one, up to this extent it is clear, but we have to verify H3 and H1 relation. We have to frame the relation between H1 and H3 H3, that is very clear, we would like to go for this one. Alright, now we would like to go for another one. Let me see. This is very clear. So, these three are very important what we have. Now, you can get that H1 plus H2 plus H3 minus, we are supposed to calculate this one, this is very important, have the look, H1 plus H2, it is very clear what you will get that. So, that is equal to, you will find out this 225 minus 100, 125 by 125 G by 2. Now, it is going to be H3. So, H3 is equal to 25 G by 2 into what we have to get that, this is going to be 5. Let me see this one, it is going to be expressed in terms of, yes, we are going to use this one, very clear. Yeah, that can be written as 25 G by 2 into 5. So, finally, can I write that H3 is equal to H1 into 5. That implies you can write down here H1 is equal to H3 by 5. Alright, what we are having, this is that we are going to get this one, this is going to be equation number 5, this is going to be equation number 6. Alright, we are all having this expression, let me see this one, please all of you, you can have the look into that matter. Once if you are going to see that all equations, you can solve the problem, it is very easy for you, I think so. Okay. Now, you are going to get final expression what we have been solved, that is very clear, we would like to get this one, that is H1 is equal to H2 by 3, yeah, here very clear, you would like to get this one, yes, this one and this one is going to be H1 is equal to H2 by 3, H3 by 5. This is the relation what we are having, we can highlight this relation, this is going to be very important, let me see. Alright, so this is the correct answer, we would like to go for this one. Yes, are you getting this point? Okay, let us go for another one. In this way you can approach that H1, H2, right. Yes, it is very clear, we would like to go for this one, this is also one of the important model problem. A body covers a distance of 20 meters in the 7th second and 24 meters in the 9th second, just let me see. They have given that it is going to be horizontal, direct. Just you have to consider this 20 meter, it is going to be identified, it is very clear. You are going to have that its motion, yeah, you have to get that t is equal to 0 seconds, t1, t2, and t3, we are going to have that. Like if they have given that 20 meters has been covered, yeah, in 7 seconds. What they have given 20 meters in the a body covers a distance 20 meters in, yes, so let it will be get it 20 meters in 7th second. Okay, all right, it's very clear, and 24 meter in 9th second. All right, it's very clear. How much distance? Yeah, x meter in 15th second. Yes, if you know that from this first and second data, what they have given from first and second, you are supposed to get this one, all right. You can take this one, you are all going to calculate this one, right. This is going to be calculated. X is equal to question mark, that is the case. So, simply they have given in the time interval the distance has been, you have that there is a comparison between the two incidents, that is first one in the 7th second, second one in the 9th second, what the distance. If you know that two intervals, then you can easily solve that in 15th second what is the distance covered by that body, you have to take that. All right. We would like to go for that related equations and we will solve the problem, it is easy for you. The basic equation we have to consider, that is S is equal to U n plus 1 by 2 into A by 2 into 2 n minus 1, the nth second, just we have to consider, it is going to be S n, right. Yeah, we have taken this one. All right, we would like to go for this problem and we can solve that easily, we will do that. Shall we use this space and we will solve the problem? Okay, we can use that space, no issue. So, by considering that, therefore, 20 meter is equal to, we do not know u into, yes, you have to take that, this is going to be u, yeah, you have to consider this one, u plus, yeah, u plus A by 2 into, what about that n, that is 2 into 14 minus 1, that is u plus A by 2 into, what about 28 minus 1, therefore u plus A by 2, you have to check this one, 27. Just we would like to go for this one, yeah, we can take this. So, let me see this. Okay, we can solve this problem, no issue. Yeah, this is going to be 20, all right. It is going to be 20 is equal to 2u plus 27a by 2. Therefore, 40 is equal to 2u plus 27a. This is the first equation, let us assume. All right, if you know that in distance covered in 9th second, just you have to take that, that is going to be 24. So, we will take that separate case. Therefore, what about the distance what they have given, just you have to get the 24 meters, yeah, 24, that is equal to u plus A by 2 into 9th second, it is going to be 2 into 9 minus 1, it is very clear, u plus A by 2 into 18 minus 1, all right. Therefore, 24 is equal to 2u plus 17a by 2. Therefore, 48 is equal to 2u plus 17a. Okay, we are getting that, this is equation number 2. So, is there any use from these two equations to get the distance in 15th second? 100% we will use this one. To find out the two parameters, that is going to be u and a, you can solve it. So, by solving that, solving the equation 1 and 2, or getting that, that is you have to apply that addition or subtraction, yes, just write down, simply you will get this one, yes, you can take that equation 2 minus equation 1, that gives the result, you may find out this one. Therefore, 48 is equal to 2u just you have to take this one. Okay, let us write 2u plus 17a and 40 is equal to 2u plus, what about this one? 14, 27, that is and 19th. You have to get this one 18. Yeah. Just you can substitute this one. We would like to go for this equation. Yes, yeah, we can get this one. Yes, from this equation, yeah, we can use that limited space. So, I would like to take that direct equation, that is yeah, equation 2 minus just we have to take that. So, directly we can take that 8 is equal to yes, you will take that this is let me see this one. Let us check that this equation. So, 20 is equal to u plus a by 2, that is going to be 28, 20 meter in the 7th second. Oh, sorry, we have taken that 14, again we have taken multiplication. All right, please let me have the chance. Please, you have to write this is the 7th second, it is going to be yes, you can take that 7th second 20 meter in the 7th second, that is going to be 2 into 7 minus 1, that is 14 minus 1, that is 13. All right. So, here we would like to get this one, this is going to be what we are going to get this one 13. All right, it is very clear. So, that we can easily find out that this is very clear. Yes, equation 2 is very clear. So, in this case we would like to go for this one. Yes, yes, right, this is equation. Okay, we would like to have, while you are solving these equations, just you should take that more number of steps, that is what you will get the correct answer. Instead of that any mistake, just you have to follow more number of steps, it is better. Yeah. Okay, we have taken this one, right. Equation 2 minus equation 1. So, 48, just you have to take this one, therefore, 48 is equal to 2u plus 17a. All right. Therefore, you will get that 40 is equal to 2u plus 13a. You will get this one. All right. Just you have to see 8 is equal to 4a. A is equal to 2. We have obtained A is equal to 2. All right. 2 meter per second square. It's very clear. Okay. But what about u? You have to get that. If you can substitute in any of this equation, therefore, you will get that 48 is equal to, how you will substitute? Therefore, 2u plus 34. So, you will get that, that implies 14 is equal to 2u, u is equal to 7. All right. You have been obtained all these things, u is equal to 7 meter per second, it is very clear. You have that value u and a, it is very clear. Let me see this one. Yeah, we have taken that equation. So, we have been obtained that a is equal to 2, right. Okay, we would like to go for this one, yes. So, we have taken that a is equal to 2, meter per second square and u is equal to 7 meter per second. So, distance covered in 15th second, therefore, that is x is equal to, yeah, you have to get this one, right. That is going to be, yes, u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. So, you have to get that, yes, you know, that is going to be identified. Yeah, you know, u is equal to 2 meter, sorry, u is equal to 7 meter and a is equal to 2 meter per second square and n is equal to 15. All right. After getting all these substitution, this is equation A, let us assume. Therefore, x is equal to, just you have to take that, this is very clear, we would like to get this 7 plus 2 by 2 into 2 into 15 minus 1, it is very clear, 7 plus 29, just you can get this cancellation and it is going to be 36 meter, you have to get this. So, distance covered by the body you have to consider in the 15 second, that is going to be 36 meters. Okay, we have that answer. All right, it is very clear, we would like to go for this one, right. In this method you can solve that. While you are going to have the substitution, please take care about that substitutions. You can go for that, you have to substitute and each and every parameter is going to be verified at the time of calculation. Okay, let us go for another one. So, you have that force and, yeah, this is about that you have to frame the relations among the base quantities, and if you wants to represent a one derived quantity, you need to get that some base quantities. Yes, it is very clear that fundamental quantities you can represent. Force, work, velocity are taken as the fundamental quantities, then the dimensional formula of the time. All right, you know, this is very important what they have given. Okay, let us use, yes, you can take that. Yeah, what about that force? It is going to be, yes, it is going to be F, work is going to be W and velocity is going to be V. All right. So, they are taken as a fundamental quantity, they are taken as fundamental quantities. All right. All right, it is very clear, you would like to get this one. So, we are going to get this one, right. Now, what they are asking you, then the dimensional formula of time. Of time is equal to question mark, that is very clear. Generally, we are going to take that mass, length, time or the dimension or the base quantities, but here instead of that base, instead of that MLT, we have taken that they have been considered as a base quantities. Okay, let us know. Yes, we would like to go for that. Yes, is there from all these three you have to write down work done, just you have to take that work done, it is going to be having the relation, it is very clear. We know that work done, yeah, is equal to S x is equal to force into displacement, yes, into displacement, force into displacement, we have to consider this one. All right, we would like to go for this one. Now, you are going to get this one, that is F and F into L, you will multiply and it's very clear. You can get that T by T. So, you can force L by T and T, force V T, W is equal to. Now, you can write down V is equal to W F minus 1 T minus 1. Yes, we are all getting these basic quantities. Let me see that answer. W F minus 1, yes, this is the correct answer, what we are getting. In this way, we can solve the problems. Okay, students, we are all going to have the different problems we have adapted. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.